In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. Grouping lets you move, resize, and format multiple shapes as a single unit, which is great for tidy diagrams and faster editing. And when you need to make precise changes, ungrouping puts every shape back under your control. First, get to a place where you can edit your diagram. In Confluence, click Add Page and create a new page in the space where you're working. If your diagram already exists, simply open it. The steps I'm about to show work the same way in Draw.io for Jira, so you can follow along regardless of where your diagram lives. Let's start with grouping. The quickest method is with a shortcut. Select the objects you want to group by clicking and dragging a selection box around them, or hold Shift and click each object one by one. When everything you want is highlighted, press Ctrl+G on Windows or CMD+G on macOS. You'll see a single selection box around the entire set, confirming they're now grouped. From here, you can move or resize them together and keep your layout consistent. Prefer using menus? Select the same objects, then go to the Arrange tab in the menu bar at the top of the editor and click Group. This is especially handy if you like to keep your hands on the mouse or you're still getting used to the shortcuts. You can also group using the context menu. Select your objects, right-click anywhere on the selection, and choose Group. It's a quick, visual way to confirm you're grouping exactly what you intended. A quick tip while selecting. If you accidentally include a background or a connector you didn't mean to, press East key to clear the selection and try again, or zoom in for more precision. Now to ungroup objects, start by selecting the grouped item. The fastest way is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+Shift+U on Windows or CMD+Shift+U on macOS. If the group was nested inside another group, you may need to use the shortcut more than once to fully ungroup everything. If you prefer the menu, with the grouped object selected, go back to the Arrange tab and click Ungroup. It works the same as grouping, just in reverse. And finally, you can ungroup with a right-click. Select the grouped object, right-click, and choose Ungroup from the context menu. After ungrouping, each shape becomes independently selectable again, keeping its position and formatting so your layout remains intact. That's it. 3 easy ways to group and 3 easy ways to ungroup in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira.